All right, here you have it, guys. We have chicken legs here. We're gonna do have some barbecue sauce on these. So let's go ahead and get our rub on these. So you can use whatever rub you guys want to use, your choice. Get it all around it. So today we're gonna be cooking these in a different temperature that we normally do. We normally do them low and slow. Today we're gonna go a little bit higher. So that's our goal today, is to see if raising the temp, normally we do it at 250, we're gonna raise the temp, we're gonna have the temp today and higher temp and see how this chicken comes out. So how are we cooking these chickens? So we're gonna go 300 and let's say, these are 325 degrees. Internal temp that we're going, when it's chicken boned in, you wanna go higher. So normally it's over 170. I normally take it to 175, close to 180 when they're bone in. That guarantees that it's well cooked and you're not gonna have some of that pink stuff in the middle. And that's something everybody does, like all the chefs and pit masters out there, they know bone in, you go higher than your normal, if it was just breast, boneless chicken, 165, that's where you do it. But for bone in, you always gotta go higher. So let's go ahead and transfer these to our cooking grate here. All right, that being said, let's go ahead and fire our pit boss. All right, our pit boss is up to temp 325. Put these right here. And we'll be back when they hit about 160 to add the barbecue sauce. All right, they're about 160. Let's go start giving them some sauce. The other side. Okay, we'll be back. All right, they are ready. Look at that. Let's go. Welcome back, guys. And before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, guys, so here you have it. We let these bad boys ride all the way to like 180 something internal temp. And that's probably the safest to make sure it gets well cooked inside. Chicken is very delicate because you have to make sure it's well cooked. Especially if it's bone in, you gotta do it. So here we got it. Let's go ahead and give this a try. That is really good. Barbecue sauce on your chicken, that was really good. Seasoning was perfect. Sauce was right on the money. Chicken was cooked to perfection. Definitely give this a try. You will like it. Like I said, if this is your first time doing chicken, remember, bone in, you want to go higher. 165 is for boneless chicken. And also remember to keep an eye on your temp as you go through the cook if it's your first time. This took about an hour and 15 at 325. And if you guys want to do lower and add more of the smoke flavor, it's going to take a little bit longer. The lower the temp, the longer the cook time is. So keep that in mind. Make sure you guys leave a comment on what you guys thought about this. Hit that like, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.